Hello everybody, welcome to this course on how to install Node.js. So just I'll post this slide down the link below. We are going to do it on Windows, so if you are on Mac, all the various operating systems are here. You have this one, Mac OS, you have Windows, binary, you have Windows installer, so just click the right one. But let me just go to download, let me see what we got there. Thank you, blah blah blah. Okay, so what I just, you see the various operating systems are here. You can say current version, recommended most users. So we're gonna go with this one, download, and our Node.js will take some time depending on your system. The downloading is almost done. Node V, so you can go through the website to get more information. It's completed, so I'm just gonna right click. I'm sure you're gonna click on it. You just accept the term and continue. I'll just allow it in default folder. Next. There's a install the core Node.js runtime. So install the core Node.js runtime, add to path. Click the icon in the tree below to change the way feature will be installed. So Node.js runtime, RPM package manager, online document. This feature require blah blah blah, hard disks, add to path, add Node.js npm and model that way globally install by npm to the path environment. This feature requires 0 KB on your hard disk. It has 2 of, so you read all this carefully, but this one they have 53 plus this. So I'll go with that. They say Node.js runtime, add to path. I'll take add to path. Let me go to install. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install blah 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 blah. Script will pop up in new window. Install. So anyway, it was on time. The installation will get finished. So complete the Node.js and setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the wizard. Node.js has been successfully installed. So now let's press any key to continue. So let's go to our command prompt and check and see what we got here. We'll type node.v. You see we have here v 0 point. Okay, let me see again. Node. So we have here, this is our Node.js already installed. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And please do not forget to subscribe